Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app. Following that, select one of your chats and click on this little icon at the bottom left corner with a camera and a photo. Now you can click on your photos right away over here or tap on the gallery section. Then pick them from here by tapping on them. When you're ready to add your photos, tap on Add at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!